everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash showing you guys what I got in my Fabfitfun box, and here it is. It's pretty big to put in the screen, but I'm trying to get far back so you guys can see it. I do a yearly subscription, so you get these every season, so 4 times a year. And with my subscription, I get to pick a few items, so I went ahead and did that. So I kind of know what some of the items are. The reason I do pick them is because I want to get stuff I like, because I don't like wasting stuff. And if I don't like the stuff, I'll end up giving it to a friend or something. But let's just jump right into this because I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this and waiting, and I finally have it. It took a little while to get here, but that's fine. And down below I have a link for $10 off your first Fabfitfun box. You can definitely click that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this because I'm excited to see everything that is in here as well. There's a coupon code in here you can give to a friend or family. Then there's some super cute why can't I talk? There's some super cute Fabfitfun stickers and a magazine if you want to look through and get some other things, but I probably won't because I have a lot of makeup. So this first item I just grabbed on the top here. I picked out this item because we are in desperate need of tweezers here. We only have one pair and we keep losing it. This is something that I really needed, so I got this. Oh, it's so cute. So we got these little tweezers and it comes with a pouch. I don't know if you can see them, but they're super cute. They have little roses on them. Definitely loving this already. The next thing we have is a eye serum with retinol 8. This is definitely something I'll be trying out because y'all know my dark circles or under eye bags or whatever you want to call them are dark. I just like to try new products with that and see what works well. And there's a Hello Fresh thing in here, which I don't know if I'll use. I've been wanting to try it, but I'm just not sure. Oh, I think this is the watch that I picked up. Super excited for this too. Out of all jewelry, I love watches. I could definitely wear these. It's just something so simple to put on. This is so cute, you guys. It's a rose gold watch with this gray band, and this goes so well with everything. I'm gonna put this on actually. I'm trying to put it on. It needs to be wore in first because the leather straps are so stiff right now because it's brand new. These are another item I picked out the last year and a half to 2 years. I've been working out and they had a choice of some workout stuff, and I don't have any of these like stretch bands. I have like the bands you put around your thigh and do squats with, but I don't have like the stretch bands, and it comes with a little ball in here too, so that is definitely something I'm excited to try. I got the cup that I've been seeing in everyone else's videos. It's cute. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'll use this, but I know my daughter will. She loves cups. Yeah, it's a cactus cup and it's purple and it's cute. She'll definitely love this. Super cute. Oh, I picked out these too. This is what it says on the bag, is that it's a hair scarf set. So they're like silky scarves or whatever. Which I definitely like because I can use these in videos to like tie my hair back and stuff. So there's like a cream colored one, and then, oh, this one's cute too. It's like a light pink with some flowers on it. And then the next thing we got is the 3 reusable beauty rounds, and I'm excited to try these out because sometimes I just don't feel like washing my face, and this will be a lot easier to take off makeup with. These, I believe you can just throw them in the washer and dryer and they'll be clean, so like super simple cleanup with these. So I'm actually pretty excited to try these out. And then the last thing I got is a hand scrub, and this will be nice to try out too in the winter, especially here. My hands get super dry, and with doing hair I wash my hands all the time, so something to get all that dryness off of my hands and then put lotion over top after you use this. This is definitely going to be something that I will use. And that is everything that came in the box. My box is now empty. And like I said before, if you guys like some of this stuff and you want to try out the box, I'll have a $10 off link below. You can go ahead and click that and I'll give you $10 off your first box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely want to do more of these because I'm going to get more boxes anyway. Like I said, I just got the annual membership back, so definitely expect more of these videos coming. I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If there's anything you want to see, comment down below. Also, you can help out my channel by subscribing and liking this video. And if you want to get notified when I have more videos, you can click the little bell down here and it'll notify you guys. I will see you guys all in my next one.